Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Rajdeepak Singh, and as I've told you that this is my new YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'm going to tell you about the expected cutoff of IBPS clerk mains. First of all, I just want to tell you something, what type of exams I have given and cleared. Like I have also given, like, because I have seen a lot of videos, many candidates have been qualified for pre and they are not clearing the mains exam actually. So the same problem is right now going to happen to me as well. I have in 2020 I have given all the exams of RRBs, IBPS and SBI, and like I have also given the exam of RRB PO, RRB clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, SBI PO, SBI clerk. All the 6 exams I have given. Out of these 6 exams I have cleared 5 of the exams. I have not cleared the SBI PO pre-exam and I have missed the cutoff by 2 marks. Okay, so this is it. So even I am being facing a lot of problem with respect to clearing the mains exam, and even I know the strategies how to cope up with, but I am not performing well in the exams. Okay, so this is about the this is about me, that what type of exams I have given earlier. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to tell you about the cutoff of IBPS clerk mains, because I have also given and my attempt was near about out of 190 questions I have, it is 190 I think, yes, out of 190 questions I have 190, I think 50 650 50 40, and I'm not remembering how much questions were there, but I have attempted 116 questions, in which I have attempted in general awareness 46 questions. I have attempted in reasoning section 15 questions. In maths I have attempted 27 or 28 like that, and in English I have attempted 20, I think 29 something like that. Okay, so this is about my attempts of IBPS clerk mains. I know my result that I am not going to clear the exam, because I have done a lot of wrong answers. Out of those 46 I have done 14 to 15 questions wrong. So it's been very difficult for me to clear the IBPS clerk mains this year. So, and according to me, about the IBPS clerk mains cutoff, I think it is based on the vacancy of 2021 which they have given, IBPS has given. According to me, what I think, the cutoff is going to be higher, because I have given the same exam in the next previous year also, like in 2019 also I have given my mains exam, not in 2019, in 2020 my exam was on my exam was on 19th of January 2020. I even remember that date, because after that exam I have no exam for 2020. Okay, so this is it. So in that particular year of 2020, the cutoff of general was around 82 something. 82 was the cutoff, what I know, 82 or 85. And in this year, because why I'm saying that the cutoff is going to be higher for IBPS clerk means, because the level of the exam, when you compare to the previous year, the level of the exam is definitely equal. But one major thing which I want to add is the reasoning section of the IBPS clerk means 2021 is very tough as compared to the IBPS clerk 2020 which I have given. मतलब इस साल का जो रीजनिंग था बहुत ही टफ था, वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट. इवन आई हैव गिवन द IBPS PO मेंस, RRB PO मेंस. I have not faced that much of difficulties which I have faced in IBPS clerk mains. The level of the reasoning is quite tougher, what I feel. This is my analysis of the exam. So based on that, I feel that based on that, I feel that why I'm saying that the cutoff is going to be higher again and again, because the number of vacancies very low for the year of 2021, and the level of the exam is as compared to the previous year थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. Because of the number of vacancies and because of the level of the exam, it actually neutralized the whole thing. But again, the vacancy is very much less as compared to the previous year. So according to me, what I have analyzed on the cutoff is around like 85 to 90 something, bit of the general category. That's according to me. And you can analyze, if 85 to 90 is for the general category, then what might be for like OBC category, like SC and ST and all other categories, EWS, etc. So this is regarding the IBPS clerk mains cutoff. Okay. And one more thing I just want to add to this video, that I'm going to give you new videos based on like FCI AGM management and ethics. So students who are preparing for the AGM, because I am also preparing for the AGM general administration, so students who are preparing for the AGM, just stay tuned with the channel, and you are going to get new videos on different topics of. First, I'm going to give you management and ethics, and parallelly I'm going to give you some videos regarding agriculture in economics, so that it is very much advantage for the student to get the content at one single platform. So this is regarding the message for those students who are preparing for the FCI general administration in the field of Food Corporation of India. Okay, and this is it. And friends, one more thing I just want to add, this is my new channel, so I do not have that much of subscribers, so the reach of the video is quite lesser as compared to what I have expected, because it's like I also want to reach this content to every single weak students who are not much as competitive to the one who is actually competitive in the exam, so that once the weaker student going to be stronger, the competition is going to be higher. And that is what I want, because I just want that the students who are weak, and they have also, the family background is also weak, they did not even afford like many institutes, and like they are lack of the content. And my channel's specific target is to give the quality content, so they can qualify all the government sector exams. So this is the only reason I have created this video, for those students who are weak in their subjects also, and they are also weak on the financial issues also, so that they did not face any problem. So this is the perspective of making the channel. Even I have tell in different platforms on Facebook and like Instagram and Twitter also. So it's like that. This is my new channel, so it's been like it's the content is not going to be very much to the students right now, just because of the reach perspective. So don't bother on this. If you are getting the content, just use of these contents, and just fulfill your targets of upcoming exam. This is it. And lastly, if you like the channel, please do subscribe, and if you have any doubt, comment. And if you do comment, I will definitely come to you. And this is it, and we will talk later. Okay, thank you.